list interface, there are three child interfaces are there. List, set, queue. List allows or does not allows duplicates. Respond. List allows duplicates. Set does not allows duplicates. And in queue, elements will be stored in the form of first in, first out order. And in map, data will be stored in the form of key value pairs. And yesterday we started discussing about array list. We start discussing about array list. We created an array list. We try to pass some data into array list, and we have retrieved the data from the array list by using for loop, for each loop, iterator, interface. And we have seen some methods also. Next, I gave you some tasks. How many of you complete the task? Everyone. But why only few people send me your work to me Instagram? Who send me your work? Raise your hands. Yeah, exactly. Very few people send me their work to me Instagram. Please try to send me a work here. I want to check that. Okay. Please try to send me a work. All right. So these are all the concepts which we had covered in our yesterday's session. Now, today also, I want to deal with array list. Let me just try to. I'm going to take a class. Okay. Now, the class is employee class. I'm going to take an employee class. Okay. Now, I am getting that. Just a second. Better. Okay. Now, I'm taking an employee class. In my employee class, let me just try to take some private variables. Private, private, EMP. Okay. Private string, EMP name. Okay. Private int EMP ID, EMP repeat, just like three private variables. I'm going to take a constructor. I'm taking a parameterized constructor. By using constructor, we can set the values for our instance variables. You already know that. I'm taking a constructor. Okay, let me remove this. All right, I'm taking this constructor. Right, enough. Now, let me get to my class A. In class A, I'm going to take a method that is method one, system.out.println, system.out.println. Now, guys, you know that collection classes will accept only objects. Yesterday we passed integer, we passed string, character, boolean, lot of things we did that. Now my intention is, can I pass can I pass a user defined class object into my collection class? Can I pass a user defined class object? Collections will accept only objects. Right now, my intention is I want to pass employee class object into my array list. Let me just try to write passing passing user defined, passing user defined class object into array list. All right. So first things first, what I need to do, obviously I need to create a variable. Okay. Which variable? Array list. Let me try to create an array list object. New array array list. Now I want my array list to accept only employee class object. So I'm going to use the generic emp. Okay, employee class object. I'm using the generic equal to belongs to array list and emp LOY employee. Up to now, am I clear with this? Please respond. Right now, I want to pass employee class object employee class object into my array list. In my employee class, I'm having a parameterized constructor. We know that if you want to create an object for a constructor, I mean, an object for a class, pretty much damn sure we need to use the constructors which are present in our class. Available constructors. Did you remember that? Constructors third key point. Yes. So here I'll do one thing. New 101, and I'll just try to go like Java. Now this is EMP1. EMP1 belongs to employee class. Just let me try to keep it like this. 2, 3. I'm going to create 3 objects, 2, 3. Now I want to pass all these 3 objects into my array list. Tell me the code. AL dot add EMP1, after that EMP2, EMP3. Are you understanding my code? EMP1, EMP2, EMP2, and EMP3. Otherwise, I can directly create an object here also. Just let me try to copy, and I'm directly creating an object here. Here I'll go with uh, Richard, Richard, Richard 102, and I'll go with AWS. And here I'll go with Christine, Christian 104. I'll go with ORACLE, Oracle. And here, let me just try to go with Athena, Athena 103, I guess. And here I'll go with SPRI and Spring. Now my question is totally how many objects I am trying to pass into my array list? 4 objects, and all those 4 objects belongs to my employee class. All right. So now I want to retrieve the data. Okay, data inserted successfully. We had inserted our data. Now I want to retrieve the data. So let's try to do that with the help of iterator interface, shall we? So first things first, let me just try to print my array list AL and plus AL. I'm just trying to print my array list, and after that, retrieving the data. Okay, by using iterator interface. Could you please tell me the code? I'm sorry. Always start from right side of the equal to. Iterator. Look at the code. Look at the code. Look at the code. Come on, guys. You should practice. Please look at the code for a minute. No worries. No problem. Done? Tell me what I need to write. You tell me the code or write the code. AL dot iterator equal to I belongs to iterator. What is the generic here? Employee class. After that, tell me the code. While I dot has next. After that, system dot out dot println I dot next. Okay. Now let me just try to go to my main method. Now inside my main method, creating an object for my class A equal to AOBJ belongs to class A. And now let me just try to call AOBJ dot method one. Now, if I execute my program, please tell me what will be our output. Here, what we are expecting. You need to respond, guys. Here, what we are expecting, tell me. John, 101, Java, Richard, 102, AWS. Christine 104, Oracle, Athena 103, Spring. Am I going to get like that? Absolutely not. I'll not be getting like this. Instead, what I'll be getting, internal implementation of toString method. Did you remember this? Did you remember this? Nana, whenever we are printing an object of a class, you know that internally toString method will be called. Yes or no? So our intention is not to see this toString method. Our intention is we want to view the data. So you are not satisfied with the default implementation of the toString method. So let's try to override. In the employee class, let me just try to write public, public. What is the return type for toString method? String to string, just like this. Now here return return. Tell me emp name. Just a minute. Emp name plus a small space plus, tell me, emp id plus a small space plus emp department. I'm just trying to write like this. Now let me give a semicolon, and here just for our confirmation we are trying to use overriding annotation. Now let me just try to execute a program. Right click, run as Java application. Tell me, am I able to view the data? Respond. If I want to print only employee names, if I want to print only employee names, then what I need to do? Just write employee name. Now let's see what happens. Right click, run as Java application. I'll be able to get only employee name. And after that, I can perform my own data. If I want to perform any logic, I can do this. Are you understanding the point? Online students, I need you to kindly please respond to me in the chat. Online students, please respond to me in the chat, guys. Am I clear with this? Come on, come on, come on, respond, respond. That is damn impressive. Very good. Very good. All right. Let me just try to get back here. I'm going to keep it like this. Please keep your side heading as passing user defined class object into, just like a question, right? Like a question. How to pass how to pass user defined class object, how to pass how to pass user defined class object into array list, into array list. Start with this program. Please write both these programs in your notes. Please carry on. I guess employee class is complete for everyone. No, please write. Right, right, no problem. Take time. Rohit, you're asking, sir, can we add or remove array list inside while or for each loop? Depending upon your code, depending upon your code, Rohit. See, whenever you are using iterator, the cursor will be in the starting position, right? So after that, that entirely depends how logically you are writing. Is it done? Completed? Yeah, please carry on. After this, I have a small task 5. Done? All right. Guys, I have a small task regarding array list. First, observe it. Okay, let me ask you this question. Method 1. I'm speaking about method 1. Method 1 is a parameterized method or non-parameterized method. How many parameters? I'm sorry? What is the first parameter? Which accepts string. Second parameter, Boolean array. Boolean array. Third parameter, array which accepts integer. What is the return type for method 1? Tell me. Array list which accepts string. Return type for method 1. Which object? Yeah, which class? Student class object. Now tell me, task 1. Print all the elements which are present in AL1 in a reverse order. Task 2. Use for each to print the data in ARR. Task 3. Pass all the elements present in AL2 into another array list, but in a reverse order, and print the new array list. Okay. Main method. Task 4. Print only student name and marks from the data which is returned by method 1. So these are the attributes which are present in student class. Start the task. Go ahead. Start the task. Did you understand the question? Did you understand the question? Online students, please respond. Did you understand the question? Please respond to me in the chat, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, now start. Start the task, please. Go ahead. Rohit, please write the code properly, Rohit. Otherwise, you'll be getting the exception. Come on, first do this task. Feel free to discuss. I don't mind. Shall I try? Shall I do or you will try? You will try? Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes. Is that sufficient? Yes. After 10 minutes, I'll give the code. I'll try to write the code. 10 minutes. Carry on. Feel free to use shortcuts. Start the code. Please start the code. 5 minutes. 6 minutes actually. Feel free to refer. I don't mind. Feel free to refer. 'Feel free to discuss. Please feel free to discuss. Don't quit. Varun, discussions are allowed only for offline, not for online, please. Yeah. Completed? All right. Let me try. Let me try. Time up. Time up. Okay. First things first. We need to take a student class. Yes or no? Let me just try to close this and student class. Okay. Okay. I've taken a student class. Now, there are totally three variables: student name, student branch, student marks. STUDENT student name, STUDENT student marks, STUDENT student branch. Okay. Now, student name, obviously it should be string. Student marks, it should be int. Student branch. Here also it should be string. And I'm making all my variables as private variables. Okay, okay. Private private. Here also I'm going to write private private variables. Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to write a constructor, parameterized constructor. Sure. Why not? I have created our parameterized constructor. Okay, let me just try to remove this super constructor call. Okay, okay. Now, what I want to do, I need to override the toString method, yes or no. Let me just try to override the toString method. I just need, what are the data I need to print? Student name and marks. Just student name and marks. Okay, okay. I'm generating my toString method. I just want to print student name, just a small space, and marks, just like this. Student name and marks. All right. Now let me get back to my class A. Passing user-defined class object into a list. In the place of employee, what I need to take student student. And here also I'm going with student. Fine, fine, fine. Let me just try to remove all this. Now, the first question is method one is having a parameter. How many parameters we are having? Three parameters. Okay, 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 okay. So ARRAY list array list. What is the first parameter, guys? String. It should accept string string al1. Okay, string al1. After that, boolean array. Okay, after that, boolean array. After that, again array list. But this time, my array list should accept integer integer. What is the return type for that method? Array list only, but it is accepting. Please tell me, it is accepting student. Okay, student student. Now let me just try to return return null as of now. Let me remove this. Right. So basically, this is my code. This is my method. Now I need to call my method one. Forget about the tasks. First, in order to execute the tasks, I need to call method one. If I want to call method one, obviously I need to pass parameters. How many parameters? Three parameters I need to pass. So in the main method, I'm going to take an array list. New. Please tell me the code. Array list which accepts string. Okay. String. Here I'm going to give the name as input one. Input one belongs to ARRAY, array list of type string. Okay. Input one dot add. I'm just trying to go like Java, Oracle, and spring. 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 This is my first array list. Now I need to take a Boolean array. Boolean array. Okay. Boolean Boolean. Uh, input input 2 equal to just equal to true Boolean array. True true. True. false false. Just Boolean array. Now I need to take one more array list, but this time, okay, let me just try to go like input 3. It is accepting integer elements, just integer. So here, this is input 3, right? Input 3, input 3, input 3. Obviously, we'll be getting an error. Let me just try to go like 10, simply 20, 20, and then 30. Just like this. Okay. Now in my input 1, I'm having three elements. In my input 2 also I'm having three Boolean values. In my input 3 also I'm having three different array. I mean different data types. Yes or no? Now can I call my method 1? AOBJ dot method 1. Input 1, input 2, input 3. And you know what is the return type for this method 1? It is going to return an array list. And this is of type. Please tell me what is the type of that array list? Student. Okay, let me student. Student. All right. Up to now, is it clear, guys? Online students, if possible, kindly please respond to me in the chat. Up to now, is it clear? Please respond to the chat. Up to now. Okay, that is cool. Now, what I'll be doing here, task one. Let me keep it like this. I'm just trying to pass some data. Al dot add new student. Student name. I'm just trying to go with, give me a name. Give me a name. I'm sorry. Varma. 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 Okay. Varma, and I'm giving marks like 99 and branch. CS. Okay. No worries. I'm just trying to give like this. Like that, I'm creating two more objects. Let me go like Sai, and here I'll go with 66, and here I'll go with triple E. Okay. Now one more. I'm just trying to go like. Okay, let me just try to go like my name, KISHN, my name, and let me just try to go like 75, and here I'm going with MCA. Just let me try to keep it like this, MC. Now, return, can I write AL? Don't sit silent here. Tell me, can I write AL, yes or no? Okay, now let's deal with task one. Okay. System.out.println task one. Okay. Now, please tell me what is task one. Pass all the elements which are present in AL, I mean print. Print all the elements which are present in AL1 in a reverse order. You already know how to do that. So here simply for two semicolons int I equal to al1 dot size minus 1, and I should be greater than or equal to 0, I minus, and after that system dot out dot print al dot al dot get off I. Just let me try to keep it like this. Task one completed. Now let's deal with task two. Okay. Let us just try to deal with task two. What is task two? Use for each loop to print the data in a, come on, we know that. Very, very simple. Please tell me the code, guys, for each loop. For colon, semicolon, not semicolon, colon, right side of the colon, what I need to take, name of our array. Left side of the colon, what I need to take, data type. Data type. What is the data type for this array? Boolean. So BOOLE alien Boolean flag. And here simply I'm just trying to write system dot out dot println. Please tell me system dot out dot println. Sorry, flag flag. Just like that. Just like that. This is task two. Now let me go with the task three. Just a second. flag. Come on. Okay. Right. Now let us deal with the task three. This is interesting. Tell me, guys, what is task three actually? What is task three? Pass all the elements present in AL2 into another array list. So first things first, I need to take an array list. Yes or no? Okay. Here I think AL1, right? I'm trying to get AL1. So AL1 dot get. Yeah, that is impressed. Very good. Ravindra, absolutely correct, Ravindra. Yeah, Ravindra, Ayush, impressed, guys. Very good. Very good. All right. Now, coming back, AL1 and back. All right. Now, let's deal with the task three. First things first, I need to create completely another array list. Okay. New array list. Just let me try to take array list which accepts integer. Okay. And equal to AL3 belongs to array list integer integer. Now my intention is in my this is AL2. Okay. Now my intention is in my AL2 some data is there. Again error. Where did I take any AL3? Where is the error? Clear. I guess it's clear. Okay, okay. Now, in my AL2, what are the elements I'm having? Tell me, Ra. In my AL2, what are the elements I'm having? 10, 20, 30. Our intention is we need to pass those values into our array list 3 in a reverse order. Reverse order. Reverse order. But here what I need to go? AL not 3, AL2. AL2 dot size. And now what I'll be doing, AL3 dot add impressed. AL2 dot get off I. Did you understand my logic? And now simply here system dot out dot println AL3 plus AL3. That's it. Task 3 is also completed. Now let's try to deal with the task 4. Okay. This is task 4. Task 4. Okay. I just want to print. Just print. Let's try to print by using iterative. Or else shall we use for each? Shall we use for each? Tell me. For colon AL belongs to, can I go with student S and after that just system dot out dot println S. I'm trying to print my S. Let's see. Right click, run as Java application. Okay. Now, task one. Just a second. Let me remove this one more time. Right click, run as Java application. Task one. Right. Here I'm using print, right? Oh, just one more. Just one more. Yeah, better. Now tell me, what is my task one, guys? Print all the elements which are present in AL1 in a reverse order. There are in AL1 Java, Oracle, Spring. So am I able to print Spring, Oracle, Java? Task 1 done. What is task 2? Use for each to print the data in a array. Come on, I know that. I know that. I know how to do that. After the task 3, pass all the elements present in AL2 into another array list. AL2 means 10, 20, 30. I need to pass them into another array list and I should print it. I should print it. 30, 20, 10. Am I clear with that? And finally, last task, print only student names and marks from the data which is returned by method one. I'm printing only student names and marks. That's it. That's it. Is it hard? Hey, speaker, is it hard? Do you understand my code? Nothing is new here. As a matter of fact, similar kind of program we already did for array. Did you remember? I used array as a parameter for a method. I used array to return a value from the method also. Array logical programming, same concept, exactly the same concept, but instead of array, I'm using array list. I believe it's clear for everyone. Online students, I need you to please respond to me in the chat. Please respond to me in the chat. Am I clear with this? Come on. Kindly please have this program in your notes. First student class, obviously. So after completing student class, now can you write class A? Try. I explained you, right? The code is on the board. Code will be on the board. Code will be on the board. That is for sure. Okay. But you just try. Just try. Can I scroll down a little bit? Yes. Please try. Please try. Rohit, where are you staying? Can you please message me in the chat? Message me in the chat, buddy, Rohit. Noida. Come on, Rohit. I told you to come to Hyderabad, right? Okay, fine. No worries. Your question is iterator dot remove. Rohit, remove method, yeah, it is present in our iterator interface. What remove method is going to do, the last element which is returned by next method in the loop. I repeat, whenever we are using whenever we are using iterator interface, we'll be using while loop, right? While I dot has next, and we will use I dot next. So the last element which is returned by that next method will be removed by remove method which is present in iterator. Once it is removing, automatically the other index positions will be adjusted according to your data structure of your collection class. Automatically it will be done. That procedure is known as safe removal. That's it. Okay. Instead of using iterator dot remove, if you are using remove method, then you will be, there is a chance if you did not write the code, you will be getting an exception. That is the reason I told you. Did you remember when you asked me, sir, can we perform any modifications in loop? I told you, yes, you can, but you need to write the code correctly. I told you. Did you remember that? Yes. Yeah, you are getting that problem. You are getting that problem because you are using remove method, which is present in collection class. Just use iterate and remove. Your problem will be sorted. If completed, I want to go with vector also right now. If completed, kindly please do let me know. Is it done? So shall I go with vector? Yes? No? Yes or no? Let's go. All right. Online students, I want you to kindly please respond to me in the chat. Ravindra, latest versions not required, but I advise you to write. What's wrong in that? Latest versions not required, but trust me, better to write them. As of now, remember, still you guys are freshers, so make sure to write the code properly. Don't go with those many kinds of shortcuts, okay? Yeah. Done? You need to respond, guys. Okay, now let's start with the vector. Now, eyes on the board, please. Void method one, system.out.println, implementing vector. Okay, implementing vector. You tell me the code, I'll write the code. New, only one boy is there. Come on, tell me new vector. Okay, we e CT or come on, new vector. Now here I want to use the generic. Okay, just let me try to go like vector. If I write integer, integer, you know that we will be able to pass only integer objects, but I will not be able to check whether my vector is allowing heterogeneous data or not. If I'm not writing that generic, I'll be getting that weird yellow color lines. So instead of writing that, I'm going to write object. 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 Did you understand this? And I'm going to keep it like this. If I write object, I can pass any object. So I'll be able to check whether heterogeneous data is allowed or not. Yes or no. So here, come on, tell me the code. Tell me the code. V dot add 10. Okay. How many statements? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here I'll go with Java. Uh, Here I'll go with Java. After that, null. After that, 10. Let me try to write some uh, values here. Something like this and 2. Just like this. Now, did you remember the checklist? Tell me, first point, insertion order is after that, heterogeneous, heterogeneous data is after that, null value is after that, DUP, duplicates are, tell me, duplicates are, we know that. Why? How do you know? Come on, sir, vector is the implementation class for list. Okay, okay. After that, availability. It is available available from okay. It is available from Java 1.0 version. It is a legacy class. It is a legacy. It is a legacy class. After that, tell me the checklist. Its default capacity is 10. 10. Its default capacity is 10. Its size increases by double. Vector size increases by double. And it is synchronized by default. It's synchronized. Okay, okay. Now system.out.println, let me go to my main method. Now inside my main method, I'm going to create an object, new class a dot method one. So implementing. Let's check this. Let's check this. Okay. Now right click, run as Java application. Tell me, insist not is maintain, maintain, maintain. Ah, ALLOWD. ALLOWD. Insert not is maintained. Heterogeneous data is allowed. Null value is allowed. Duplicates are allowed. It is available from Java 1.0 version. Its default capacity is 10. Size increases by double. See, there is this method known as capacity method. Capacity. This capacity method is available only for vector. Means, for example, system.out.println. Here I'm trying to get the size plus v dot size and system.out.println. Uh, Capacity 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 method plus v dot capacity. Could you please tell me what is our output here? 8. What is our output here? 10. Right click, run as Java application. I believe it's clear, guys, for everyone. This is the size, this is the capacity. For example, I'm going to add v dot add 100. Okay, copy 200 and 300. right? 300. Now, again, if I'm trying to print my size and capacity, could you please tell me what will be my output here? 11. What would be my output here? Right click, run as Java application. Absolutely correct. Why? Because the size of the vector will be double by every time. Am I clear with this? We can retrieve the data by using for loop, for each loop, iterator. Happily we can retrieve. But there are five ways are there. For loop, for each loop, iterator, list iterator, and enumeration interface. I told you enumeration interface is used to retrieve the data from legacy classes, and vector is a legacy class. In enumeration interface, how many methods are there? Two. What are those? Has more elements, next element. So let us just try to retrieve the data by using enumeration interface. RETRI, retrieving the data by using enumeration interface. Okay. Now, in order to get iterator, we need to call a method. What is that method? Iterator method. Come on. Okay. Now I want to get enumeration. You need to call a method elements, not enumeration. We need to call a method elements. Tell me the code. V dot elements. Just let me try to go like this. V dot elements. What is the return type for this? Enumeration interface. Enum is different. Enumeration interface is different. Okay. Now I'm going with object. Now please tell me, guys. In enumeration interface, there are two methods are there. First one, has more elements. What is the return type for that? Has more elements, boolean. So can I use that has more elements method in my while loop? Come on. Tell me the code. WHILE while I'm sorry. E dot. E dot has more elements. System out dot print. Tell me. E dot next element. Right click, run as Java application. Am I able to just, oh, I'm going to, okay, why simply I'll use ln. I'll be using ln. Right click, run as Java application. Please tell me, am I able to retrieve my data? As simple as this. I can do this by using iterator. I can do this by using for loop. I can do this by using for each. I want you to try. Could you please try? Yes. Try the methods which we already covered in an array list for this vector. Try. And I want you to pass a user defined class object into vector and retrieve it back. Today we used two user defined classes. Are you understanding me? Employee class into array list and retrieve it back. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. Pass a user defined class object into vector and retrieve it back. Am I clear with that? Now, I just want to tell you one more small tip here, that is, listen to me very clearly. Every collection class object can be passed as a parameter for other collection class constructor. One more time. Every collection class object can be passed as a parameter for another collection class constructor. For example, my question is, pass all these data. Hang on, I'll do one thing. Okay, and here I'm just trying to keep it like small space. Okay, okay. Right now in my vector, these are all the elements which are present. Now my intention, my requirement is I want you to pass all these elements into array list. Sir, I'll use for loop. You can do that. I'll use for each. Yeah, you can use for loop, for each loop, iterator. You can use. You can use as a matter of fact enumeration interface also. You can use that. But I'm gonna give you one more better way. That is, this is my vector plus v plus v. Okay, this is my vector v. And now system dot out dot println array array list. I'm going to print my array list. Please observe what I'll be doing. I'm going to create an array list, new array list, and here object done. Done. Completed. What I'm doing here, I'm passing my vector as a parameter for array list constructor. If I'm passing like that, am I able to get all my data which is present in my vector into array list? Yes or no? We can do the same thing in reverse also. We can pass array list into vector, we can pass vector into array list, we can pass array list into linked list into vector, linked list, I mean vector into asset, asset into linked asset. Any collection class can be passed as a parameter for other collection class. I want you to kindly please do remember this. You clear with that? Please have this program in your notes. Go ahead. Online students, I guess it's clear, guys, for you. Very easy, guys. Very, very easy. Collections is not hard. It is confusing, actually. If you remember the checklist correctly, it is very, very easy, collections concept. But kindly please make sure to do the tasks which I'm giving you. I'll be uploading some tasks also regarding vector. Is that okay for you? Are you going to work on them? It's a little bit complicated task on vector. Just try, just try, just try. If you do the task, that would be very nice. Yeah, Varun. Yes. I pause the screen so that I'll be able to update the data. When I pause the screen, don't Minimize the screen and get back. Otherwise, if you log out and log in back again, your screen will be gone. If you're writing it, nothing to worry. No need to worry. If you're changing the screens means you'll be having a problem. Checklist matters, guys. Checklist matters. Write it clearly, please. Online friends, if complete, kindly please message me in the chat. Good, boys. Done. All right. That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue our sessions again by tomorrow, and tomorrow we'll be completing with our list interface. Complete list by tomorrow. We'll be completing it. And if time permits, we'll try to start with set also. All right. Dot. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Online students, I guess you enjoyed our today's sessions, guys. Please respond to me in the chat for me. Rohit, not all are not serializable, Nana. No, no, not serializable. Okay. Some are, lot of collection classes are there. Lot of collection classes are there. Okay. All right. All right, guys. See you guys. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.